Hey, what's up everybody? Very good morning everyone. So on this day I decided that I wanted to hike this particular place called Pudu Hill. I've heard so much about it, seen a few videos and read a few things about it, so I thought could be an interesting place to explore. Well, I've seen a few people going in this direction, so I guess this could be the start of the trail, so we're gonna go in there right now. All right. Okay, I was having a conversation with someone who regularly hikes here. Okay, there are a few types of trail. This trail, it's a shorter trail, but it's far more challenging because it's very steep and it goes up all the way to the peak apparently. Whereas the one over there, that is a longer route, easier, because it takes you one big round before it takes you up to the peak. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. I don't know. I'm feeling like I'm in a mood for some challenge. What do you guys think? When Uncle admitted that this trail can be a little bit challenging, he's not wrong. It is pretty steep. But you know what? We've already made a decision. We're gonna go this way. No turning back. Let's do this. Well, as you can see, I'm practically drenched here after going through that climb. Oh, it's pretty nice, pretty good actually. Well worth the effort. Good for training.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay.
So now, I have to make a decision here. Either go in this direction, which I believe takes you straight to the peak, or I can actually follow this group of family here, because where they're going right now is what used to be an illegal settlement, but of course it's abandoned and nobody stays there. So I'm contemplating which one. You have to stay tuned to find out. Well, I've been following the signs of all these marks here, if you can see them, or this one here, but it seems like I pretty much didn't find my way to the abandoned illegal settlement, so I'm pretty much taking a U-turn back to where I started from, basically from that junction between left and right. But what it did brought me to a place where you can actually see a nice interesting view of the other side of Pudu Hill, which is not too bad. Unfortunately, I didn't want to stay there too long because I've been attacked by swarms of mosquito. So looks like I'm just gonna go head back to the peak then. Maybe some other time I will explore more on this place. Let's go. So we made our way back to that junction earlier, and now we're heading straight to the peak, which I think is somewhat right in front of us. Okay, there it is. Yep, I can see that. There you go. Bukit Pudu, 172 meter. That wasn't too bad, right? Okay, let's enjoy the view from the peak then. See ya. Well, we just left the peak now, so we're going on our way back down. And along the way, I just actually came across that it's actually a camping site here. So the community here actually basically they decided to create this place for a place to relax, de-stress yourself, just have a good time, chill, and enjoy nature. Pretty interesting if you ask me. Maybe one day I'll like to come and join them. But now I'm rushing against time, so I gotta get back down. Well, I must say, the trail coming down was pretty much more steeper than the one that I was going up earlier. So perhaps maybe in the future, if I were to come back here again, I will probably go up this way and come down that way. So that will be a much more enjoyable hike. But nevertheless, it's been all fun, all good. Now, I need to give a few word of gratitude, particularly to YouTuber Lau Chan Hiker and Jay Chan, because it was by watching their videos of Pudu Hulu Hill that I was confident enough that I could come here and hike on my own. So thank you to both of you, and I'll leave the link to their channel in the description below. Please do subscribe to them and give them your support. I would really much appreciate that. All right, let's get back to where we started, because someone is waiting for me. Well, we're back to where we started. Now, just a few words. Doing YouTube videos isn't as easy as you think it is, especially if you're hiking on your own. You need to shoot a hike of yourself going up. So you leave the camera down, you climb up, and you come down and pick it up again. And the same is vice versa when you're coming down. So, but it's fun, and it's always rewarding on watching the final output of your video. There's so much of satisfaction in there, and I hope you find that same satisfaction in this video. Thank you for watching. Appreciate the support. Well, click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. It's free. Until then, thank you for watching. Till the next hike, goodbye.